kind of look like a hand of a titan. Is that some kind of collab? Guys, that's insane. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Asha again. I really hope I look some kind of cute and not like that one girl who was telling everybody they're gonna die in 7 days. But today we have something special to watch and react. And that's the Jujutsu Kaisen Season 3 official trailer and the Chainsaw Man, the movie new trailer. Just a few thoughts about these two titles I want to share with you. When I first heard the name the Jujutsu Kaisen for the first time in my first language, it's called something like Magic Battle or Magic Fire. And it sounded to me like the most cliché, most typical shonen anime name ever. And the title itself, I get that it's good, but I don't really get the overhype over it. I don't know, like I like it, but I don't know. And the Chainsaw Man, when I first heard the name of it, I thought something like, okay, that's another one, like some kind of I was reborn as a vending machine, slime, toaster, or whatever kind of idea. But then when I watch it, guys, I fell in love, literally, not just with the show itself, but also with that actual little chainsaw puppy. And that's the reason I actually also hate this title, because they've literally killed him in the first episode. Like, I'm still not over it. But let's not waste any minute longer and dive right in.
俺はもうみんなと一緒にはいられない。
Who was that? What kind of creatures were they?
にはいられない。
I can't stay with everyone. He can't stay with everyone. Whose hand was that? Kinda looked like a hand of a titan. Is that some kind of collab?
お前一人で勝手に諦めるな。俺たちはヒーローじゃない。呪術師だ。
五条先生の教え子だもん。一筋縄じゃいかないか。ごめんね。虎杖。
That was fucking creepy. Like, not creepy like the nuts in the previous one, but like creepy.
あいつの力が大きくなってるのを感じる。スクナが伏黒で何か企んでる。悪いけど。
Who is that creepy guy?
死ぬわけにはいかねえんだ。
Is Gojo still inside of that box? I think so. Poor thing. That box was definitely not built for the premium comfort.
はいはい。とんでもねえ重力量だ。
話は終わり。
俺の弟に手を出して生きて帰れると思っているのか。
全ての歪みが。
Ah, yeah, they're actually brothers.
あの時始まったのかもしれない。全部壊して。大体。
This scene gives Kill Bill vibes.
俺のせいで大勢死んだんだぞ。
頼む。お前の力が必要だ。
自分のためだけに生きるのはきっといつか限界が来る。行くよ、リカ。
Who's Rika? Yeah, guys, although Jujutsu Kaisen is not my favorite and it's also not one of my favorite, but this one is, it feels full of potential. So actually, after this one, I can't wait to watch the third season. But yeah, let's just wait until they drop it and then we will react together to its opening. And now let's proceed with the Chainsaw Man. these sounds, it makes me crazy, like every time when I hear it opening in my car, because like every time I'm wondering if something wrong with my car. It's just driving me crazy.
マキマさんは俺に心ってあると思います？
あったよ。
Excuse me? What does it mean?
私の名前レゼ。
No, is it turned into some kind of a harem? Because I don't want that.
私が全部教えてあげる。
この子好きになっちまう。
ボブが来る。ボブ。
Guys, that's insane. What's happening?
みんなチェンソーの心臓ばっか欲しがっちゃって。デンジーの心臓は欲しかねえのか。
バン。
Who is this creepy huge mouth? And who is this creepy one? Live cosplay moment.
Baby shark doo 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 doo, baby shark doo 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 doo. Boom.
That's insane. Guys, no, I just can't wait until they drop it. Like, I will 1000% I will watch it in the cinema. I'm sure it will just blow me away. In Jujutsu Kaisen was full of potential. This one is overfull with potential. Haven't seen something that cool for a long time. And by the way, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And what's even more important, the unblurred and uncut versions are waiting for you on my Patreon. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next one. Bye.